All of you ready to write with your classwork and your pen? Okay. We had already written question number 10. Answer was remaining. And Dhiyai, I want to repeat the question better. What question have you written? Yes. Which were the two famous states during Rajput age in South India? We have to name the two states of South India which were very famous. Nisarg. नहीं बेटा क्वेश्चन फिर से नहीं बोलूंगी बिकॉज लास्ट लेक्चर यू हैड लेफ्ट द मीटिंग एंड सो यू हैव मिस्ड इट इट्स योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी चलो राइट द आंसर you can check the things on the whiteboard. This will be your answer 5.10. Okay, Pallava and Chola. Pallava P capital. Pallava and Chola then remaining from the question were the two famous states during the Rajput age in South India. Were the two famous states during the Rajput R capital. Rajput is in South S capital, India I capital. South India. Full stop. I repeat the whole answer. Pallava and Chola were the two famous states during the Rajput age in South India. Full stop. Complete. Any doubts? Anybody? Okay. Okay. Now question number 11. Which temple? Which temple? This is a 5.11. Okay. Which temple was constructed during the Pallav dynasty. During the Pallav dynasty. Put a question mark. I repeat, which temple was constructed during the Pallav dynasty? Ready with the question? Have you all written the question? Okay. Now answer. I am sharing the textbook on your screen. Can you all see the textbook, students? Okay. And I am marking the answer. Starts from here. You see the last line of the page. यहाँ से. The Kailashnath temple of Kachi is the best example of Pallav architecture. This one sentence makes your 5.11. Can you see the marking in the textbook, all of you? Okay, start writing. Okay, now question number 12. Write down the question first. Which dynasty rulers of South India of South S capital, India I capital, of South India were lovers of, check the spelling, lovers of art and literature. ART, art. and literature. I repeat, which dynasty rulers of South India were the lovers of art and literature? Put a question mark. Ready with the question? Okay, write the answer directly and be creative. The Pallava rulers, the Pallava P capital, check the spelling. The Pallava rulers, remaining from the question, of South India were lovers of art and literature. Of South S capital, India I capital, were lovers of art and literature. Full stop, complete. Any doubts? Okay, fine. Ready for number 13? Okay, write the question. Give one example. Give one example of the expert administration, check the spelling, of the expert administration of Raj Raja I, of Raj Raja, R capital. Check the spelling again. Raj Raja dash करके one. Raj Raja one. Give one example of the expert administration of Raj Raja one. Full stop. Shall I repeat or did you repeat? Shall I repeat or did you get it? Okay. Give one example of expert administration of Raj Raja one. I'm marking the answer. It's on this page itself. Start from here. सबसे ऊपर यहाँ से राज राजा वन दिखाई दे रहा है आपको? Can you all see this? Start from here. Raj Raja I adopted a very systematic way of administration in his state. He started with the measurement of land and local self-government. Up to local self-government. That's a 5.13. Any doubts? Okay, write down. Chalo, ready for number 14? Okay, write the question. Who established check the spelling, who established the town of Ajay Meru, the town of Ajay Meru. Put a question mark. Continue. By which name? By which name is it now known? N-O-W now and K-N-O-W-N known. And then again put a question mark. So it is a set of two questions. Who established the town of Ajaymeru? By which name is it now known? मतलब अजयमेरू को किसने बनाया था और आज उसका नाम क्या है? Are you all clear with the question, all of you? Okay, write down the answer. अब दो क्वेश्चन है तो आंसर में भी दो सेंटेंसेस होंगे, राइट? सो राइट फर्स्ट, किंग अजयराज, किंग अजयराज, ए कैपिटल, किंग अजयराज established the town of Ajaymeru, established the town of Ajaymeru, full stop. It is now known as, it is now known, K-N-O-W-N, known as, do you know what is it now known as? Anybody? Yes, very good. It is known as Ajmer. So write it. It is now known as Ajmer. A capital again. It is now known as Ajmer. Full stop. Complete. Any doubts? Any doubts? Okay, number 15. Write the question. Why did the rulers of, why did the rulers, R-U-L-E-R-S, ruler of South India, S capital, I capital, South India, माइक बंद करो बेटा. Why did the rulers of South India need to have, N-E-E-D, need to have a strong navy, a strong navy, question mark. So first of all, tell me, what do you mean by navy? Yes, the army which fights on water, जिसको हम बोलते हैं water soldiers. ओके, तो साउथ इंडियन किंग्स को ज्यादातर स्ट्रॉन्ग नेवी की क्यों जरूरत पड़ती थी? व्हाई डिड दे रिक्वायर सो मेनी वाटर सोल्जर्स? यस, वेरी गुड, very good, correct, right? The kings required lot of strong water soldiers. They needed a powerful navy because it was surrounded by water. So if any enemy attacks from across the sea, then they could counter attack them, they could protect them easily. या फिर उनको भी अगर किसी और कंट्री पर अटैक करना है तो soldiers have to travel through water, so they should be very powerful. Okay, very good. Chalo, same, you have to write down. I'm dictating. Write down. नहीं, वो मैं बताऊंगी. I am dictating. Write down. The rulers of South India, the rulers of South, S capital, India, I capital, South India needed, N-E-E-D, needed a strong navy, a strong navy, so that they could attack, they could, C-O-U-L-D, could attack those countries, T-H-O-S-E, those countries which were which were across the sea, across the sea, SEAC, full stop. I repeat. Okay, I'm repeating, just check it. The rulers of South India needed a strong navy so that they could attack those countries which were across the sea. Full stop, complete. Any doubts? क्या बोलो? Which were across the sea. Okay? Chalo, number 16. Write the question. On which city, number 16, on which city did the rulers of did the rulers of Chauhan dynasty, C capital, Chauhan dynasty get victory, get victory, question mark. I repeat the question. On which city did the rulers of Chauhan dynasty get victory? What do you mean by victory? Yes, jeet jana. Very good. Yes. So, ready with the question? Okay, ready with the question? I'm marking the answer on this page. Start from here. The rulers of, दिख रहा है सबको? The rulers of Chauhan dynasty captured Delhi, the capital of the Tomar kings, and established their supremacy. Up to supremacy. This is your answer number 16. Can you all see the answer? Yes or no? Okay, start writing. Okay, now write question number 17. Which king is which king is unparalleled? Check the spelling. Unparalleled. Unparalleled मतलब क्या? Huh? What do you mean by unparalleled? Unparalleled means not. क्या बोल रहे हो? नहीं, नॉर्मल नहीं. अनपैरेलल मीन्स अनमैच्ड. उनके जैसा ब्रेव, उनके जैसा पावरफुल, उनके जैसा करेजियस कोई नहीं था. अनपैरेलल. nobody was equal to him. राइट? ऐसा कौन सा किंग था जो अनपैरेलल था? वेट बेटा, जिसके जैसा और कोई किंग नहीं था. दैट इज अ क्वेश्चन. ओके, आई एम रिपीटिंग. विच किंग इज अनपैरेलल्ड in the history of India? In the history of India. Put a question mark. Which dynasty did he belong to? Which dynasty did he belong to? Again put a question mark. I'm repeating the full question. It is a set of two questions together. Okay? Which king is unparalleled in the history of India? Which dynasty did he belong to? मतलब कौन king था और कौन से kingdom का था? That is the question. Are you all ready with the question? Any doubts? Okay. Yes, answer starts from here. Prithviraj III or Raj Pithoda was a powerful ruler of the Chauhan dynasty. He is unparalleled in the history of India. So the name of the king was Prithviraj and he belonged to the Chauhan dynasty. This is your answer 17. Any doubts, anybody? Okay, start writing. Okay, now number 18. Who has written, who has written का ये वाला स्पेलिंग होगा, written the story of Prithviraj Chauhan. Prithviraj Chauhan. Who has written the story of Prithviraj Chauhan? Put a question mark. In which book? In which book? Again, it is a set of two questions. I am repeating. Who has written the story of Prithviraj Chauhan? Question mark. In which book? Question mark. Ready with the question? Okay, chalo. Start from here. Chand Dai, a famous poet, has written about Prithviraj Chauhan's valor in his epic Prithviraj Raso. Up to Prithviraj Raso. Can you see this? ये रासो है यहाँ पर. This is your answer number 18. Any doubts? Okay, start writing. Who has written? It is Prithviraj Raso. Poet Chand Bardai. And what is the name of the book? Prithviraj Raso. And it is written in Hindi language. Okay? Okay, now comes your question number 19, I think. है ना? Okay. What is the meaning of Rashtrakoot? What is the meaning of Rashtrakoot? Put a question mark. And जितना छोटा क्वेश्चन है उतना ही छोटा आंसर भी है. See, I have marked it. Rashtrakoot means head of a state or area. Can you see the answer? चलो लिखो. चलो number 20. Which king? Question 20. Which king had established a powerful kingdom in the Deccan, D capital. डेक्कन मतलब क्या? यस, वेरी गुड. डेक्कन मतलब दक्षिण, जिसको हम बोलते हैं साउथ इंडिया. ठीक है, दक्षिण को ब्रिटिशर्स बोलते थे डेक्कन. उनको दक्षिण बोलना नहीं आता था तो वो बोलते थे डेक्कन, मीनिंग साउथ. ओके ओके, राइट डाउन द क्वेश्चन. Which king established a powerful kingdom in the Deccan in 8th century. In 8th century. Put a question mark. I repeat. Which king had established a powerful kingdom in the Deccan in 8th century? Ready with the question? Ready with the question? ओके अब इतना बड़ा क्वेश्चन आंसर में तो हमें किंग का नाम ही लिखना है राइट डाउन वेरी गुड क्या बात है वेरी गुड चलो राइट डाउन चलो लिखो किंग गोविंद थ्री किंग गोविंद थ्री ऐसे थ्री लिखना डैश करके रोमन में किंग गोविंद थ्री remaining everything from the question had established a powerful kingdom in the Deccan in 8th century.